Hello, my project covers the fluid flow analysis of an aircraft wing section, which will be made on CATIA, and the fluid flow analysis will be carried out on ANSYS Fluent. So the first step is go to the following path in your computer. Go to this Excel file. This is used for making a spline. Copy this file and paste it on your desktop. Open this file. This file is for making multiple splines. We just need to make one spline, so we'll delete this mid section and we'll keep this aside for a moment. The spline or the airfoil, the cross section of the airfoil will have a specific coordinate, and we'll be using this NACA 2412 airfoil, and its coordinates are available online, and these are the coordinates, X and Y coordinates. So we will copy them, paste over here. Go to data, text to columns, fixed width, next, next, finish. Now the data is split into two columns. Now we need to add the X coordinate. This will be basically made in YZ axis. So we have to make X 0. We can also do it in XZ axis and make Z 0. XY axis and make Z 0. So 0 will be in this one and the XY will be in these two columns. Now copy this, cut and paste it. Now go to, select the first cell. This is a very important step. If you don't do it, it won't work. Open CATIA simultaneously. Mechanical design, part design, give a name. So go inside that. Open that, minimize that. Now go to view macros, view macros. Select this, select main, and click on run. So you get different option. One for just importing these points as points in CATIA. Second one is making a spline directly, and third one is making the wing directly. So we'll be doing for the going for the second option. Okay, whole thing will run, and the points will be on CATIA file that you opened just now. Zoom in to see the spline. To extrude this spline, we need to make it a closed spline, and I'll show you how to do it. This one will be an open spline. Now I've zoomed in to the part where it is open, as you can see from this. Now what do we do is click on the spline, remove the last point, and make it a closed spline. Press OK. Now delete this point. Now this has become a closed spline. Now we have the closed spline. We can make the aircraft wing section by simply padding it. You'll get this error, it's okay. We'll pad it for around 100 mm. Sorry, we can change the units later, so it should be a problem. So we need to change the units accordingly, since this looks a little too big. We'll change the units to meters and we'll get the proper section. Now this is a basic idea of how to create a airfoil on CATIA. Now we will import this section after changing the units, obviously, to ANSYS, and we'll be performing fluid flow analysis on ANSYS Fluent toolbox.